What's up, girls? Today we're gonna do a low impact cardio that's gonna be phenomenal for shrinking that waist, burning tons of calories, but being very gentle on your joints, your knees, ligaments, and things like that. So we're gonna take out any jumping and make it a low impact cardio. So let's get started. I'm gonna be choosing a little level 2 to make it a little bit harder, but level 1 or level 2 is great for a nice good warm up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you really quick. So jump on in here with me. Don't just watch, come on and join me. We're gonna do a squat with a kickback. And so what we're gonna do is we're just going to go into a squat, and as we step up, we're gonna press our legs and just kick that butt back. And we're gonna go back into a squat, press up, and then kick that booty with that heel, okay? So we've got a total of 30 seconds. Here we go. Beautiful, rest it out for about 10 seconds. Our next one, we're gonna go into a squat, touching into the ground, and then reach up high into the sky. Other side, touch the ground, and reach up nice and high to the sky. Okay, here we go for a total of 30 seconds. Great work. Next then we're gonna go into the core. So we're gonna reach up, twist as we bend that knee in. All right, take a nice good deep breath. Here we go, start now. Reach and twist. Awesome, great work. I'm already out of breath. So you can see how much you can actually be really efficient, effective with just 10 minutes a day, but also keeping it low impact. So making it work for you and adding any modifications along the way. All right, next one is gonna be kind of like a standing jack, but we're gonna go into a little bit of a side lunge. So we're gonna reach the arms up nice and high right here. We're gonna open out that leg. We're gonna go into a side bend as we're just gonna touch that opposite ankle. And just make sure again that there is a straight line from the shoulder, the knee, and the toes so that you're not all ski-wampus or whatever, okay? So just keep everything nice and straight. All right, here we go, 30 seconds. Beautiful work. Okay, and then the last one of this round, you're gonna go into a push-up and then open it up into a side plank. So if you're a beginner, we're just gonna be onto our knees, push up, open it up, side plank. And you can also be on your knees for that side plank as well, okay? So choose your level, beginner or advanced, and let's go for 30 seconds. Beautiful work. Take a nice little breather. And then all we're gonna do is just go ahead and repeat that one more time through. If you can add a little heavier resistance band, let's do it. All right, here we go. Squat and kick that booty. Good work. Next one, let's go into that squat and reach, high lows. Good work. Next one is those core twists. Here we go. Out of breath. Whew. All right, we got this. Only 2 left. All right, here we go. Reach those arms up nice and high. Cross it over into that side lunge and touch that opposite ankle. Here we go. Great work. And the very last one are push-ups with that plank. And now wrist it back. Whew. Good. Go ahead and go into your downward facing dog and just stretch out those hammies. Good, turn it around and take off that band. And roll it down. Bring both legs together and just rock it back and forth. Drop one leg down as the other one stays. Hold that knee a little bit tighter. And then you're just gonna bring it across the body. Then go ahead and bring it on the opposite side of the body. Go ahead and rotate through your ankle, circling it, and then reverse. Good. Now repeat to the other side. Hug the opposite knee in. And bring it across the body. Focus on keeping both shoulder blades on the mat as you get a nice good stretch through that lower back and into the glutes. Good, then counterbalance that stretch by opening up to the other side. I just rest my on the inner thigh, I rest my elbow, just to add a little bit more weight, and then circle through that ankle. Good, and reverse. Great job! So a little cardio that obviously can be super impactful, but no impact. Love it. You guys did an amazing job, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye, everyone. Let me show you the secret on how you can cut fat and keep your curves. Did you know that when you're losing weight, you're actually losing 3 things: water, fat, and muscle. And losing your muscle, that's like losing your metabolism. Skipping meals and dieting can actually lower your resting metabolism up to 20% a day. The secret is lifting weights and maintaining your muscle will actually speed your metabolism up. The Booty Bands and Barbells program is designed to build lean muscle that will cut the fat and keep your curves. Put yourself first, act now. You feeling great and your new transformation can start today.